everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our brand new collection releasing today, 1st of December. It is called Garden Path and it is a beautiful collection, even if I do say so myself. I love this collection. I love the beautiful pastel tones and just everything about it. So this is the first one. It's called Golden Hour, in the yellow tones. Beautiful one on the back. This one is Happy Place, because I know the garden is a happy place for a lot of people. And this is actually reverse colouring, and I'll talk a little bit more about this after. This one is Flower Garden, the beautiful pinks. Plaid on the back. This one is Veggie Patch, for obvious reasons. And the back, this one is probably one of my favourites. It's called Houseplants. Fussy cutting all these out to make beautiful cards for people. And the back, this one is Gardener's No, and these are great for cards as well as scrapbooking. The wood grain on the back, and this one is Blossoming, and this is reverse colouring. So see how some of these don't look like they're quite finished? That's because they're not, because one other product we're releasing this month are our fine liner pens. So you can do your own reverse colouring on this sheet and some of the other sheets. And in the magazine, there is a special feature that Adele's done teaching you how to doodle to create your own flowers and all these gorgeous little images. And the DT have done that throughout. And look at this beautiful card by Yvette. Throughout the month. Now, if you buy a set of these fine liner pens, we will give you a copy of that instructional guide as well. But if you're buying the kit in the magazine, it does come in there. So that is what this one's all about, which is very cool. And the back of that is more of this. So this is suggestions of flowers, which is reverse colouring. Okay, lucky last is this one here. It's called Green Thumb, and these do fit our stitch circle, so you can cut them out and they look beautiful on the front of cards. And the doodles on the B side. We have got, these are the cardstock colours we recommend to go with this collection. Of course, all the beautiful pastels. Let me show you what else we're releasing. Obviously, we've got the pens. We have got creative cuts for the garden path. This great laser cut. And 3 dies. So this one here actually comes in the kit. Dandelion comes in the kit. This one here is Happy Birthday Modern, which has got the outline and you got the Happy Birthday. We have got this cute little one here, which is Daisy Bouquet, and this is great for filling in. I'll show you some layouts in a minute. The girls have used that. And look what's back, our teacup. And our teacup die now comes with 2 different sizes to create. So this is what it makes, to create either a taller teacup or a shorter teacup. So these are just gorgeous. You can pop a little dolly in there, some little cellophane with some chocolates or lollies. They make great little gifts. I did some with some little lip glosses and stuff. They are so cute. So teacup die is back. And we also have more crystal luster stickers. These are our Garden Path ones. They're beautiful. New stencil. This one is called a Snappy. And the cut apart sheet, of course. Let me quickly take you through some of the layouts the DT have made. We are so blessed with our DT. They are absolutely fantastic. Here's one using the pink tones. This one here, super cute, added in some of our older stamps and laces, but this is the Daisy Bouquet die. Love this one here. See how the DT member has done all her own doodling. They really have done such a great job with that. Another one with the purple tones. More of the freehand doodling. More of the doodling. And this puppy, I just want this puppy so bad. She's so cute.
It looks like a teddy.
It does look like a teddy. Pearl's right here next to me. Do you like that puppy?
Yeah.
It's so gorgeous. Okay, another one. So these are just really pretty pastel, gorgeous layouts. And if you want to try that reverse colouring doodling, I think you're going to love it. And again, just using the markers, with the pens, to create sweet little borders. And this is the wooden laser cut on there. More of the DT just doing their own freehand doodling. They've done such a great job. A lucky last one with those circles that I said cut out. So I will take you through in a minute just what's in the kit if you're going to wait for the kit. Okay, so if you're waiting to get the kit, you are going to get a set of the beautiful pens, the crystal rhinestone stickers, some of our party tickets, the Garden Path Creative Cuts, and the Dandelion Die. So this is a great value kit. The stencil, laser cut, the magazine, which has got all of your card making in the back and your scrapbooking in the front. So many beautiful ones in there. Cut apart sheet, some cork, sheet of our Sunny Days cardstock, and of course the collection pack. So kits will be available on the 5th, but everything else is available today on the 1st of December. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.